Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video, we'll talk about Pepe again. I covered this a couple of days ago, I believe, and then we're still talking about the possibility of Pepe getting up to 8,000 and 8,200, which was this level down here, which it did reach. All right, it reached that level and it went even way higher, up towards 10,000. So a little bit of a bull run update. A lot happened in the markets as well. Of course, Bitcoin right now is very bullish, so that has had its effects on Pepe. But we'll just do a full update, all right? And as most of you know, if you know me, is that I usually have a face cam, but I had some problems with my webcam and my USB ports, so not today. Hopefully you don't mind. Maybe you even like it, all right? So who knows? But we'll talk about Pepe, all right? So let's get right into it. So first of all, technically, very bullish. All right. Usually, what you tend to see is that coins like Pepe, but also Stacks and Bitcoin Cash, are always a little bit more correlated to Bitcoin. So what that means is that if Bitcoin gets bullish, a coin like Stacks actually gets very bullish as well, which you can see right here. Even though, I mean, Stacks, it actually hasn't been that much, but Pepe, very bullish, right? Over the last week, went from around 6,000 to at the top 10,500, which is about like a 60 to 80% increase. That's a lot. And you can also see, like, if we're talking about some statistics regarding the open interest and the volume, that has rallied a lot as well. So there, usually you just see that when the market is bullish, Pepe gets a lot of momentum. So that's the case. That is the reason why Pepe has been this bullish. Perhaps it's a little bit manipulated as well, but that doesn't matter that much. Here you can also see the correlation. On the short term, it's for 95% correlated to Bitcoin, and over the last 30 days, it actually has not been that correlated, but it has been very correlated with Ethereum, and Ethereum is correlated to Bitcoin. All right, so that doesn't matter right now. I think the thing that really matters for Pepe is the technicals. So you can see that it found resistance here at a major resistance level. I mean, first of all, it's around 10,000, and then it's also supported by the 1.618 fib of this move down, which is usually very strong, and the 0.5 fib of the entire move down on the daily time frame. So that's a huge Fibonacci level. And therefore, I mean, you can also see that, especially like when it broke above these levels, the 0.236 and the 0.382 fib, that's major bullish confirmations. All right, so technically, I would say that Pepe is bullish. I don't think that's a hot take, but still. But no. All right, for some reason my recording stopped, but let's just continue where we were. So yeah, technically Pepe is bullish, but the big question is can it rally higher? All right, and that depends on how much momentum Pepe has. And what we see right now, if we take a look at the open interest and the volume, is that you actually see that has dropped down quite a bit, at least the open interest. The volume is still growing. But the big question is can it break above 10,000 to get up towards 11,500, and then afterwards perhaps even 12,500? And I think, see, the difficult part about that is that if I would only be looking at Pepe, I would say no. I would say, all right, great, it has found support at the 382 fib right here, but it's just going to test 10,000 again, and it will either consolidate here or it will retrace lower down towards 8,000, all right, which is the next major support level. But in the end, given these market circumstances, like there 100% is a chance that it will rally higher. But I would say, also because of the short-term correlation, I would say it depends on Bitcoin. All right, it depends on if Bitcoin is able to get a breakout towards 36 and 37,000. All right, if Bitcoin does get that, which will probably happen if it breaks above 34,500, Pepe will rally up higher as well. If Bitcoin is not able to get that, then I think the resistance is too strong for Pepe, and that in combination with the lost momentum already makes it more likely that it will consolidate and drop down lower towards 8,000. And from there, we'll see again, but that's at least my full analysis on Pepe for now. If you do have any questions, then of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.